Azan is called now, the khutbah is about to start, and you are outside the masjid, you cannot buy even water now, even if you are thirsty. Listen to khutbah, 2 rakat finish, okay, you can go out, buy whatever you like. So that is very important thing now that we need to implement on this. Right now, why the Muslims are in big problem? Because they are not caring about the Jummah. Everywhere in the world today, they don't mind about Jummah. Jummah time, they talk, they waste the time, they do buy and sell. They don't close the stores. Many Muslim countries, they don't close the stores. They don't start the business at all. And it is haram. Allah is commanding with very hard words. Wazarul bay, leave off your business. Stop your business. Imagine the 7 days, 24/7 you can do business. Only for Friday, only for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. You cannot give it for Allah to stop your business, your cell phone, your transaction, your online business. Everything is shut down your office, shut down your shop. I don't like to do any business now. Stop all your trading, all your buy and sell.